Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is perfect for you if you have a small yard and you absolutely hate lawn care, because this is an automatic robot lawnmower. Very, very cool device. So this was sent over by a company called LawnMaster, and it is the OcuMow MAX. As you can see, this is what it looks like. So let's go over all the details that you're gonna get once you open it up. It's basically gonna come right out of the package, ready to go, pre-assembled, everything for you. You are going to get a user manual and a very simple, easy to follow, quick start guide to get you up and running right away. Now, it does come with a single battery. It's a 24 volt, 8Ah battery. This thing's got about a 4-hour battery life on it, but you can simply, before you charge it up, it's gonna cover around 3,500 square feet of yard with that battery charge. And then obviously it does come with a little battery charger itself, so you can just simply plug this into your garage and good to go between mowings. Now, in addition to that, this is designed, how it operates is it uses a mixture of cameras and ultrasonic radar. So you can see it has a camera positioned on either side and then also in the center. And so it's utilizing that. And it's gonna work very well with defined zones. So if you have grass next to a hard surface, like a kind of concrete, it's gonna be able to see that. And if you have even better, a raised section of your bed, it's gonna obviously be able to see that in mow. But it does have obstacle avoidance. So if you do have like a soccer ball in the grass, it's gonna know to go around that because it'll see it, which is really, really nice. However, if you have a part of your yard where it's just grass and goes straight into a flower bed, or even grass that goes straight into like brush out in nature, it's gonna struggle with that area. So they do include 32 feet of this little magnetic cable here, and this is gonna create a digital barrier that the lawnmower won't go across, and they're gonna include plenty of stakes, so that way you can stake this down and you can set it up and forget it, so that way it's always a barrier. You don't have to take it up and remove it every single time. In addition to that, they're gonna include 12 extra little razor blades here and the little various screws to go ahead and change them out if you need to. So if you hit some sticks or something like that and your razor blades get dull over time, you can easily change that. You'll see on the bottom, you're gonna have basically 3 of them. Very easy. You can utilize the screws if just the blade itself is messed up, but if the screw gets stripped or something like that, they give you plenty of extras to go ahead and cross it. They look just kind of like standard little razor blades as far as utilizing them. However, the way they're designed and the way this spins, it's gonna give you a nice 6-inch cut when it is going across. As far as the kind of cut distance. Now, with that in mind, the cutting, you do have multiple height options when it comes to how tall you want your grass. So you got 5 different cutting modes. The lowest end, you can have your grass up to 1 inch height. The highest, you can have it up to 2.5 inches in height. So you can easily set those up. Now, you'll also notice on the front is a big red button. That is a button you can simply hit in case there is something going on and you need to immediately stop the unit. It's a nice safety button, very easy. You can hit it with your foot, you can hit it with your hand, and turn off the device. Now, as far as the different controls, you're gonna have your on-off start button. You're gonna have your auto mow. Simply gonna hold this down and then it will go ahead and start. So it is truly a drop and go setup. It has a nice easy handle. It's very lightweight, so it's easy to move. As you can see, it's very compact, so you can easily sit this on a shelf in the garage, which is great. The 2 option is basically a spot. So if you have a spot in your yard that's just growing faster than everywhere else and you just wanna cover that, go ahead and hold that down and it will go ahead and do a spiral motion and then mow that area. The normal mow is more kind of like following a path, more not necessarily a set pattern, kind of like those carpet cleaners, if you will, out there. And then you also have your radar settings, but it does have an IPX4 weather rating. So if it does get some light rain, you're fully covered. You obviously don't want to leave this out where it'll get like lots of puddles or just absolutely downpour. You want to go ahead and bring it in so That way it's nice and taken care of. As far as the battery slot, that is here in the back. Just simply pull that up and then you'll slide in the battery. It just slides in here at the top and you're good to go. There is a little pin here. This is kind of like another safety pin. So make sure this is pushed in to make sure the lawnmower is activated, and then close the door. You'll notice the wheels on the back. These are nice, thick 8-inch rubber wheels, and they have a nice texture here so they can go over multiple surfaces. If your yard has a slight incline, you're covered there. This thing handles up to a 25% slope, which is basically about 19 degrees as far as an angle. So it can handle that if need be. But overall, it's a very easy, compact little lawnmower robot. Like I said, it's perfect if you have a small yard that is under 35 or 3,000 square feet. Simply put this out, let it do its thing maybe once or twice a week, and then you just don't have to worry about it. It cuts everything up to a nice small, so that way it stays within the grass and just kind of provides nutrients for the grass again. So if you are in the market and you're looking to make your lawn care a lot easier and you're looking to have a robot do it for you, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.